Welcome students. In this lecture we are going to study the structure of heart. We will start from wall of heart, protective coverings of the heart, and then we go to the external structure of the heart. What is heart? Heart is an pumping organ. Main pumping organ of the circulatory system is heart. It is muscular organ. It is formed from mesoderm. What is mesoderm? Mesoderm is an middle germ layer. From this mesoderm, heart is developed during embryonic development or during gastrulation. Then origin of heart. So all of you must remember that is origin of heart is mesoderm. Mesoderm is an middle germ layer. From this middle germ layer, heart is developed. So this is origin of the heart. Then what is the color of heart? The heart is reddish brown in color. Heart is reddish brown in color. Then what is the size of heart? The size of heart is like one's fist. बघा इकडे मी माझी मूठ वळलेली आहे आणि या वळलेल्या मुठीच्या आकाराचं माझं हार्ट आहे. म्हणजे हार्टचा साईज काय असतो की त्या पर्सनच्या वळलेल्या मुठी एवढा आकार असतो. सो साईज ऑफ हार्ट इज लाईक वन्स फिस्ट. इट इज ट्रँग्युलर ऑर कोनिकल. सी हियर, this is broad base and conical apex like ice cream cone. The narrow apex present towards the lower side and it is conical, whereas upper portion is broad. So heart is broad at the base and conical towards the apex. It is four chambered. It shows presence of two auricles and two ventricles and it is conical. So this lower conical portion tilted towards the left side. Therefore heart is slightly located towards the left side, but it is its location is at the center of the thoracic cavity and size is one's fist. Then see here, it is hollow organ. Heart is internally hollow. याच्या आतमध्ये पोकळी आहे, याच्या आतमध्ये ब्लड फील्ड असणार आहे आणि या पोकळी असल्यामुळे हे जो ऑर्गन आहे हार्ट आहे तो पोकळ आहे, आतून पोकळ आहे. सो इट इज हॉलो मस्क्युलर ऑर्गन फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम मसल्स and it is mesodermal in origin. The color of heart is reddish brown in color and size of heart is like that the one's fist or the person shows presence of fist, and like this fist the heart is triangular or conical having broad base and narrow apex. Then what is actual location of the heart? See here, the human being having the cavity, body cavity mainly divides into thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Within thoracic cavity, a pair of lungs are located. In between the two lungs, there is a space is present, and this space is called as mediastinum. The central place within the thoracic cavity is called as mediastinum. In that mediastinum or within that space, the heart is located. So what is mediastinum? Mediastinum is the space present in between right and left lung at the center of the thoracic cavity. And within this thoracic cavity, heart is located here. See here, the upper broad part and lower conical part of the heart. So this is location of the heart. Heart is located at the center of the thoracic cavity in between two lungs, and there is a space is present around the heart is called as mediastinum. So the mediastinum, in mediastinum which organ is located? What is name of that organ? Heart. The internal vital organ, that is heart, is located in mediastinum and it is the space present in between right and left lung. So all of you must remember this important term, that is mediastinum. It is the empty space present in between two lungs in which heart is located. So what is the location of heart? location of heart is in thoracic cavity and in mediastinum. So depending upon your NEET and CET examination, this word is very important. In mediastinum, which organ is located? The name of organ is heart. So it is external few general characteristics of heart, that is what is the origin of heart, what is the color of heart, what is the size of heart, and actual location of heart. It is internally hollow, muscular, made up of from the mesoderms, and the size or weight of the heart. See here, weight of heart is 300 grams in case of male and 250 grams in case of female. So the size of heart ranges with body size or body weight. In case of male, weight is more, therefore size of heart is also, or weight of heart is also more in case of male, and in case of female it is just 250 grams. So this is difference between the weight of heart in case of male and female, 300 grams in case of male and 250 grams in case of female. Then heart is externally covered by a membrane. This membranous sac is called as pericardium. Pericardium. See here, peri means around and cardium means cardiac or heart. The heart is covered by a membrane, and this membrane is called as pericardium. Inside the pericardium, heart is located. So this pericardium again divides into two different layers. See here, first one, that is fibrous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium. And second one, that is serous pericardium. Serous pericardium. This serous pericardium is located inner side of the pericardium, and fibrous pericardium is the outer protective covering of the heart made up from the connective tissue. Again, this serous pericardium divides into two membranes. These two membranes are called as visceral and parietal layer of the pericardium. Parietal layer and serous, parietal layer and visceral layer. Visceral layer of the pericardium. So parietal layer and visceral layer are the layers of serous pericardium. In between this parietal and visceral layer, there is a space is present, and this space is called as pericardial space. Pericardial space. This pericardial space filled with the fluid called as pericardial fluid. Here, the heart is externally covered by a membrane, and this membrane is called as pericardium, outer protective covering of the heart. Peri means around, cardium means heart. हार्टच्या भोवताली जे प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कवरिंग आहे त्याला पेरिकार्डियम असं म्हणायचं. This pericardium again divides into two layers. These two layers are outer thick fibrous layer called as fibrous pericardium and inner thin layer called as serous pericardium. Again, this serous pericardium divides into parietal layer of serous pericardium and visceral layer of serous pericardium. So serous pericardium divides into two. कोणत्या बघा, parietal layer आणि visceral layer. या दोन लेयरच्या मध्ये पुन्हा एम्प्टी स्पेस असतो. तो स्पेसचं नाव काय बघा इकडे, pericardial space. Where it is located? Pericardial space is located in between parietal layer of serous pericardium and visceral layer of serous pericardium. Then what is the content of that space? हा स्पेस कशासाठी आहे तर त्याच्या आतमध्ये फ्लुइड भरलेला आहे. What is name of that fluid? Pericardial fluid. And what is the role of that fluid? जे फ्लुइड त्या स्पेस मध्ये भरलेला आहे त्याचा रोल काय, तर इथं रोल काय असणार आहे बघा, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द हार्ट फ्रॉम मेकॅनिकल इंजुरीज और इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन absorption, shock absorption mechanism. So the pericardial fluid absorbs involves mechanical shocks and injury as well as protection of heart from the mechanical shocks is the function of pericardial fluid. It is approximately 50 ml. The component, this fluid is present in 50 ml and it is present in between this pericardial layer and visceral layer within the space.